46. Pleasures of hatred. It may seem strange to talk about the pleasures of hatred, but there must be some pleasure to it because so many people are prone to hatred. They hate the rich, the middle classes, or the poor, the blacks, whites, Asiatics, and peoples of various races, their family, neighbours, and so on and on. We live in a world of hatred. A woman told me of her amazement at the fact that a total stranger hated her. She had just moved into the neighbourhood, had not met this woman, and learned that she had spoken viciously of her. Why? Another neighbour told her the reason. The cute little car you drive, which your husband gave you, is good-looking, and so are you, and she resents it. Envy is at the root of much hatred. But not all hatred is envy. The root is an evil heart. Our Lord says, "Out of the heart proceed evil thoughts, murders, adulteries, fornications, thefts, false witness, blasphemies." Matthew 15:19. An evil heart delights in evil thoughts and hatred. Our world today offers a good market for evil hearts. Our films, novels, and everyday life feed the appetite for evil thoughts, envy, and malice. Paul catalogues the sins of the reprobate and concludes by stating that all such, knowing the judgment of God, that they which commit such things are worthy of death, not only do the same, but have pleasure in them that do them. Romans 1:32. In other words, our pleasures identify us. If we enjoy being malicious and hateful, we clearly have an evil heart. If we are happier at hearing some evil gossip about someone than at hearing good, we'd better be concerned about our heart. Look at your heart and ask yourself, what do I take pleasure in? Remember, you may fool men, but the Lord sees the heart.